Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the inline elements and the block level elements. Okay. Inside of HTML, we have many of the elements, right? And all of these elements, we can divide them into two different categories. One of them is the inline element, another one is the block level element. Okay. So what exactly the inline and the block level elements and what are the differences? Okay. So as you can see, I have put up a heading here and then I have the I tag here. Okay. Once again, I have the EM tag here and then I have a paragraph tag which has hello world, and then I have another EM element which says like, hey, I am another EM. Okay. So this is basically the structure. Okay. So now if I just go to the browser, as you can see here, we are having the DevTools as well. So as you can see, this is our heading. And after this particular heading, we are having these elements, right? And as you can see, the I element and the EM element are inside of the same line. And then we are having the paragraph element, okay? And as you can see, paragraph element is taking up the whole line, and then we are having the EM element. So what exactly is happening? So inside of the DevTools, if you just hover over this paragraph, as you can see, there is a blue box here, and the blue box is spanning across the whole width of the container, aka the screen right now. Okay, so the paragraph element is a block level element. Okay, why is that? Because the paragraph element does not allow the other elements to be in the same line. But here, as you can see, the I element and the EM elements are inside of the same line. So they are called the inline element. And as you can see, the blue box is spanning across to just the width of the content. They are not spanning across the whole screen. Inside of the paragraph element, that blue box is spanning across the whole screen. Okay. And also inside of the heading as well, this blue box is spanning across the whole screen here, right? So the heading element, the paragraph element is a block level element. And also here, as you can see, we are having the I element. So this I element, the EM elements are the inline element. So there are a bunch of inline and the block level elements. Okay. So how you can check whether an element is a inline element or the block level element? It is quite simple. You can just open up the DevTools and you can just hover over to that particular element. If the blue box is going across the whole container, then it is a block level element. Otherwise, if the blue box is just spanning across the width of that particular content of that particular element, then it is an inline element. Okay. So this is basically the inline and the block level elements. Okay. And the knowledge of inline and the block level elements come in handy while writing CSS. And also we can change the behavior of the inline elements and the block level elements by using the CSS as well. Okay. Awesome. So this is basically the inline and the block level elements in a nutshell. Okay. So we have learned in this video about the inline and the block level elements.